video is I scalped Nvidia earlier, just basically using like using like a range. So we'll come look at we had a range. So earlier today, this range was a little wider, and then I'll show you. And I already could see that we were in this range right here. Right now, this is an intraday. This is the 1 hour, and you can see how see this range right here. Look at it on the 1 hour. And if we look at it on the daily, see what it looks like. And if I'm gonna put them side by side, so make it easier. I'm gonna create another column. Now I'm on the TastyTrade platform, so you wanna use what I'm using, charting package. The link is in the show notes. So look, I'm gonna open up. I'm gonna make another column. Right, you can see I was already looking at. Let's go to NVIDIA. Watching this, hit the like button. Let's see. We're gonna come here. I'm gonna show you exactly what I was looking at. Now I'm gonna put this up on the daily over here on the left, right? Well, the 3 months, that's good enough. Let's get that out of the way. Get that out of the way. We're gonna put this on the 1 hour. I'm gonna show you what I was looking at. Now, good stuff. Show you how I found this trade. I had no intentions on making this. Now, if you're looking at it right here, you see this little range. Got a fractal. Fractals are just turns in the market. Places where the market came and then it turned, right? See right here, turn, here, turn. Generally, I like to draw trend lines from fractal to fractal. I like to do it. So if I did something like that, it would have been, let's do it. It would have been something like so. I would have probably came somewhere in here, did something like that, right? Or you could have just put that there and something like that. Now, if I would have been in here, I probably wouldn't have drew it from there to there, even though I could have. I would have just made something straight across. These are things I actually did. I'm saying I probably would have. This is what I actually did. Trend. So I would have did something like this, right? Now I wouldn't have had today's price action in here like that. Now you can see the little range. Now if you come intraday, now if you notice that, and I can be looking at something and breeze and running through and find trades and see a little range. And if you come here on the intraday, you can see the range as evident by these red dots right here. It's letting me know that a squeeze was on, which actually started back here. You see the same range right here. This is the range. Let's draw it over here to show you how I find trades sometimes, like that. Then I'll come over here. You want that. Come over here, go, and let's draw something like so. Something like this. So this will give me the range. Now there is no, like I said, there is no science to drawing trend lines. You just kind of, this would have been the same thing like that over here. Now I could have just put this on the hourly and then tighten it up, but I wanted to put them side by side so you guys can see. Now when I came over here, like I seen up, pull back, up. So you got low, high, low. Now, right up in here, you can see this was at 9 o'clock. This was right here at 10. So then for me, all I did was at that point was I dropped down another time frame. Because a lot of times I'll be looking at this like this. You'll see it. This how actually I'll be looking at it. And then I got a 1 minute right here. So that's your 1 minute. Then I got I got an hour in a daily. And then I'm looking to see when I could get a breakout higher or something like that. And all I did was at that point come over here. Now the expected move was a little bit this ruler right here in the middle was a little wider. It was up. It was down here right around 940. And then this was a little further. So the expected move, I don't remember what it was exactly when the market started, but I do remember the ruler was wider. And since this weekly expiration expires today, this is 0 day. So this option chain this weekly will expire at the end of today. So it's each option is losing value very quickly. I would not trade this right now at this moment, even though it looked like it getting ready to try to make a move higher. I bought a, came down. Let's go back to the side by sides. Let's zoom out, take this off. Now I'm gonna drop this down and come down to a 5 minute, and I'll show you exactly what I saw. Perfect bull flag. Then I just got busy. Here's your bull flag right here. I'm gonna make that out so you guys can see that. There's your bull flag. Up. See, that's at 9:30, 9:35, 9:40. Pull back 9:45, 9:50. Think. You see that at 10? At 10, you got this breakout right here. Right here at this bull flag. Think right there at 10. You ain't got to be in here long. I'm gonna go to the chains. I bought the call option at 10:02:39. See it right here. This 5 minute chart. 10:02:39. I was out at 10:06:53. I was in it 4 minutes, 4 minutes and 14 seconds. And that coffee good. Paid 560, sold it for 735. 175 profit. In, out. So, and all I did, if you guys want to copy my watch list, this is my watch list. And I can tell the way I have it set up, I can tell where to go like quickly. And it's set up in such a way that it just tells me what the market is doing, what type of day we having, and whatnot. And for the most part, everything on here at that time was red, except for Google. Google was up, and I looked at making a trade in Google, but the expected move in Google, I'm going to show you the expected move in Google for today was real. Look at the rule. Look how small that ruler is. So it wasn't much movement. It was a little larger than that earlier this morning, but it wasn't a lot. So I was like, I don't have much of a move left. Like it's not the market's not telling me it's looking for a big move today. You can see how cheap the options are. Nvidia, even now, even though I wouldn't do anything now, it's still $9.41 more of a movement left in Nvidia. So you can still scalp in either way and make some money.